Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide with 2,307 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with an Arlen S intake, Clockworks windshield, 9.5-inch thrash and handlebar risers, an aftermarket exhaust, saddlebag guards, upgraded seats, and dress-up hardware. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, TPMS, keyless ignition, navigation, an onboard computer, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. Boasting one of the most powerful V-twin motors in Harley-Davidson production history, the CVO Road Glide brings sophisticated electronics, thrilling power, and iconic factory custom style. The Road Glide is powered by a 117 cubic inch V-twin motor, putting 125 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 849 pounds and has a 25.9-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.